It's August 1 and today in Philippine history, Philippine independence was ratified in Bacoor in 1898. Kung confused kayo, hindi kayo nag-iisa. Madugo ang ating dinaanan upang makamit ang ating kasarinlan, literally and figuratively. Maraming milestones. Yung iba, hindi ko napag-aralan nung grade school. Balikan natin sila ngayon. I am Mona Magna Veluz, I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Noong May 28, 1898, matapos manalo ang mga Pilipino sa Battle of Alapan, Aguinaldo unfurled the new Philippine national flag for the very first time at the Teatro Caviteño in Cavite. Akala ko nung June 12, 1898, nag-premiere ang Watawat. May soft launch pala siya. Tapos, noong June 12, 1898, the day the flag was unfurled again and the Marcha Nacional Filipina was played for the first time in Kawit, the Philippine Declaration of Independence was read by Ambrosio Rianzares Bautista. Siya rin ang nagsulat noon. Pero may problema yung dokumento. It proclaimed freedom from Spain while explicitly making us a U.S. protectorate. The declaration explained the use of red, white, and blue on our flag as commemorating the flag of the United States of North America as a manifestation of our profound gratitude towards this great nation for its disinterested protection which it lent us and continues lending us. Problematic talaga. Kaya hindi pumayag si Apolinario Mabini sa nilalaman ng dokumento. Kahit si Emilio Aguinaldo hindi siya pumirma. Kinailangan nilang ayusin muna. Noong August 1, 1898, after a month and a half, around 200 municipal presidents and local officials from 16 liberated provinces gathered in Bacoor, Cavite. They met at the Cuenca Ancestral House, which at that time served as the first seat of Aguinaldo's revolutionary government. Hindi sila nagpunta para gumawa ng panibagong declaration. They came to formally sign and affirm the Acta de Independencia, pero it was not exactly the same as the June 12 declaration. Apolinario Mabini revised it and removed language that suggested the Philippines might become an American protectorate. Pagkatapos pirmahan ni Aguinaldo at ng halos 200 kinatawan, ipinadala ang dokumento sa iba't ibang bansa upang ipaalam na may isang malayang bansang tinatawag na Pilipinas. A month later, the Malolos Congress ratified the document, which became known as the Acta Agosto 1. In 2024, Republic Act 12073 declares every August 1 as Araw ng Paglalathala at Pagtatanyag ng Kasarinlan ng Pilipinas, recognizing Bacoor's role in proclaiming our nation to the world. Siguro ito ang pinakamahalagang paalala ng Bacoor Assembly. Ang kalayaan ay hindi lang idinedeklara. Kailangan din itong pagtibayin, ipahayag at ipaglaban, hindi lang ng iilang tao, kundi ng buong sambayanan. O, di ba?
Meow meow.